Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice radical equation. So here we have 4 plus 2 into square root of 3m plus 1 equals to 3. So here we find the solution of this equation. So can you tell us that is this equation has solution, or the solution of this equation is exist or not? So here I can just tell you a nice trick in which you cannot need to solve this type of equation. So you just directly say about the given equation, is the given equation has solution or not solution. Okay, so here first we need to take some steps. Here we need to isolate the radical term. So when you isolate the radical term, we need to move this 4 to the right hand side. Then you see here before moving the next step, here I can just say about some key fact about the radical equation. Okay, so you see here uh, in radical equation, the equation in which after isolating the radical term, if radical term is equals to a negative number, okay, you just focus on this sentence. If radical term is equals to a negative number, such equation has no solution in real numbers. Okay, it means that if our radical term becomes negative number, then you no need to solve that equation. You just directly say that that equation has no solution, okay, in real numbers. So here for your satisfaction, I can just solve this equation, and you see here we move this 4 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 2 into 3m plus 1 equals to 3 minus 4. Okay, so you see here this will becomes 2 into 3m plus 1 equals to minus 1. So here you clearly see that this radical equation becomes or equals to a negative number. So here we just directly say that this equation has no solution. Okay, so for your satisfaction, I can solve this and find the value of m, and after that I can just check that is this satisfied the given equation or not. Okay, so now we move this 2 to the right hand side, and it will be written as 3m plus 1 equals to minus 1 over 2. Okay, so further you see here in traditional way to solve the radical equation, we need to remove this radical sign, so that we just take squares on both of the sides of this equation, and it will be written as this 2 and square root are gone, and we get here 3m plus 1 equals to minus 1 square equals to plus 1, and this 2 square equals to 4. Okay, so in order to find the value of m, we need to move this plus 1 to the right hand side. So it will be written as 3m equals to 1 over 4 minus 1. Okay, so further we need more simplification, and now we take the LCM in the right hand side. So you get its LCM is 4, and now when you divide this 4 by 4, you get here 1 minus this is 4. Okay, so you get here 1 minus 4 equals to minus 3 over 4. So this is the value of 3m. So here, because we find the value of m, we need to divide both of the sides by 3. Okay, so here I can just write that we divide this equation also by 3. So this 3 is cancelled out by this 3, this 3 is cancelled out by this 3. So finally you get the value of m is equals to minus 1 over 4. So this is the value of m, but this is not the solution of given equation. Okay, because here I can just say about the key fact about the radical equation. So now here we need to verify this value of m. Is this value of m satisfies the given equation or not? Okay, so here we need to copy down the given question statement. So the question statement is that 4 plus 2 into square root of 3m plus 1 is equals to 3. So uh, this is the given question statement, and now we verify this equation. So that now we need to substitute this value of m in the left hand side, and you check the behavior of this equation. Okay, so you see that this is 4 plus 2 into square root of 3m plus 1, the value of m is minus 1 over 4 and plus 1 equals to 3. So further you see here, we need to simplify the terms, and we have this is 4 plus 2 into square root of, here we need to take the LCM. So the LCM of this term becomes 4, and when you divide this 4 by 4, then we get here minus 3 plus 4 times of 1 becomes 4, and this whole equation equals to 3. Okay, so further you see here we have this is 4 plus 2 into square root of minus 3 plus 4 equals to plus 1, and here you see that the square root of this 4 is equals to 2, and this whole equation equals to 3. So now you see here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2. So here further I can solve this on here. So this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, but you know that the square root of 1 is equals to 1. So we write it here, 4 plus 1 is equals to 3. So we know that 4 plus 1 is equals to 5, and this is equals to 3. Okay, so you know that 5 is not equals to 3. So this means that the value of x is not satisfied the given equation. Okay, this value of x is not satisfies the given equation. It means that the given equation has no solution. Okay, so or in other words you just say that the solution of given equation is phi. This phi denotes that the given equation has no solution. Okay, so for no solution I can write this symbol phi, and now this value of m is called the extraneous root. We just write it here, extraneous root. So I think so you already know about the extraneous root, but now here I can again explain that the extraneous root are those roots whose cannot satisfy the given equation, whose cannot satisfy the given question statement. Likewise, here you see that the value of m is minus 1 over 4, but this value of m is not satisfies the given question statement. So we say that this is the extraneous root, but we cannot have any other root. So we say that the given radical equation has no solution set. Okay, or the given radical equation has empty solution. Okay, or the given equation has solution is phi. So that's why here you no need to do all of these steps if you just remember the key fact about the radical equation. I can just again see that if you remember this key fact about radical equation, then you no need to do all the other steps from first two steps. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.